Alright, so now we're going to be removing the outer door handle on the passenger side on a 2008 Mercedes CL63 W216. Once we remove the door handle, we're going to go into removing this door lock actuator. The door is fully disassembled, the glass is pulled, the window regulator is out already. I'm not really sure if you have to remove all those parts to get to the door lock actuator. We're just doing everything kind of step by step, so this is the last part on this door. Alright, so we're going to start off the bottom, pull on the trim, and just kind of work your way up. Ours already popped off before, I'm just making you a video, I forgot to do it. So it pops out pretty easy. It's plastic clips. Our top clip was broken before. So once you remove that, you're going to have access to the door handle from here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you. Yeah, I don't think so. Alright, so we're using a long extended T20 Torx. I'm just going to feel for it first to get on the screw. Alright, so when you're unscrewing it, make sure it goes to a full stop. Once it stops, it means it's fully loose. Now we're going to pop this little side piece out. It's pretty easy. So there goes the screw, it stays behind, it does not come out. Now we're going to remove the handle. These usually pull towards the back of the car, and you're going to have this plug right here. It's the keyless door entrance. So it's pretty easy to take it off, but to put it back in, you gotta be really careful because this, well, it stays in place, so you just gotta make sure you line that up before you pop the door handle in. But it's like fixed in there, so sometimes they just pop off out of the handle, so you can't really line it up. It's kind of a pain in the ass.